Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Lowe's. Just a reminder, I will have some of these links down below, so if you're interested, you can check them out down there. But let's dive in. Alright guys, so we're going to get started checking out some of these Ego pole attachments. Pretty good deal right there, pretty good option, especially if you have the Ego brand. We also see some chainsaws right here. Again, also in the Ego option, so you get to save a little bit on these. Pretty good deals on these right here, different sizes, different options right here. Then we also have another rapid charger, so if you need one of those, you can check it out. And then we have a few more outdoor items. We have some blowers here, and then a couple other options in the blowers. We have different sizes and different ones like that. I know from my experience, the larger the blower, the better. It's just always been a little bit better in my experience working in my yard. We also have a little fire pit. You can grab one of these, save a few bucks on that. Looks really nice and be a great addition to the yard there. Then we have, again, just a little clearance section of these old pillows. So if you want to go ahead and start saving money for next summer, you can do that. Then we have some of these large set outs right here. A lot of these look similar to some of the stuff on Black Friday. So we can see some deals are already starting here. These are some pretty good deals right here we see, especially these with Kobalt. A lot of different tools right there. 39 bucks for a bunch of these options, which I think is a great deal, especially if you're interested in some Kobalt tools right here. Then we have a few more just hand tools right here with Kobalt. Got a little saw for drywall, and then also hammer, some blades, some little snips, and then everyone is making some of these markers, which again I think is a great thing to have on the job site. Then we have just a few more tools again in the Kobalt option, little thermometer, a couple other items right here, again some fun stuff with those. Then we have a brad nailer 129, pretty significant off there, so if you need one of those, check that out. Also some drill bits, always great to have a drill bit set. Never know where you're going to use these. I have these in just all of my packs in my truck. I really like this item right here, the 69-piece screwdriver set. You see it has the screwdrivers, also has the Allen keys, and just a bunch of other things like that. I think that's a cool idea. Have the hammers here. Check those out. A couple other Kobalt tools, battery pack, and also charger. Grab one of those, save a little bit of money. And we have the, again, drill drive set. A couple different options there. Again, 20 bucks. Get to save about 5 bucks on those, so pretty good deal. Then we have the double option here for the tape measure, so again, a great thing to grab. Then they also had a bunch of their toys out, so you can see some fun toys here at Lowe's, so you could always say you're going shopping for the kiddos and then grab yourself some stuff as well here. Then we have some Craftsman tools. Again, see these deals going on. A good little nano set right here for 20 bucks. I think that's a great little gift for someone. And then we see a bunch of just, again, hand tools, Allen wrenches, adjustable wrenches here, and then also some nailers as well. You buy this, and you also get the project pack here for free. Pretty good deal right there for Craftsman. Then we also have another set right here as well for 40 bucks. Again, Craftsman's a great brand. Going to do a good job for you there. So I think it's a great deal to go ahead and check out, save some money on, and get some good tools. Just a reminder, I will have some of these links down below if you're interested. Next, we see one of my favorite brands right here, Skil. You see all these options you get for 300 bucks. I think it's a great deal. And then we see, again, a few of their items. Again, great prices. Skil is a good brand, and they have some great prices as well. So if you're looking to get started with one, I definitely think it's one to go ahead and check out at least, because they have some great prices. Then we see some DeWalt tools right here, some DeWalt items. Good price for that. Marked down from $139. Also have the parallel clamp. We saw these earlier, but is a little bit larger options right here. And then another Craftsman torque wrench here. Again, different sizes, so whatever you might need there. We also have some Klein tools. Again, like Klein, they're a great brand, especially if you're going to be doing anything in the electrical space. You can see some of their tools and their options here. Pretty good deals on a lot of these. Got the tape measure here, 25 bucks. Some gloves, pretty good deals and options on those prices. And then even some jackets here as well. So if you need to grab some of these. Then we also have a couple just more kid tools or kid toys and stuff like that. And then even just the build and grow, so you can kind of do some fun activities with your kiddos. And then here are some more just tools for them. I think these are great little gifts for kids. We also have the utility knife, again for Klein. Then we have some more toys. And then again, just a few more options for the kiddos here. They also had their Christmas stuff set up, so you can see a lot of their Christmas decor going on. I mean, Halloween hasn't even happened yet, and Christmas is already set up and going here. So if you need to grab some Christmas stuff, you can definitely do that. I'll do more updates as we get closer to that, but has a lot of these on sale right now, or actually just out. I don't know if they're on sale really right now, but they are out and available, so you can check these out to see if this is something you might be interested in. Go ahead and grabbing. And then there is just a sneak peek of what it looked like in their Halloween section. I'll show you a little bit deeper on what all the details are going on right now. Then we have, again, just a great thing to grab in your house, save a little bit of money, and have some of these carbon monoxide alarms. Great thing for that. Then we also have just some stuff to put out fires. You always want some of these. Next, we get into some of their storage deals. You see a lot of these are just the lower price options here for Kobalt. And then we see another new lower price here for Craftsman as well. If you can wait just a little bit of time, these will be on sale probably for Black Friday. But if you need to grab some of those now, they are a pretty good price. We also have table saw set up right here. Pretty good option for that one, so you can save a little bit of money. Then we also have the compound miter saw as well here in Metabo, so you can grab one of those and save you a little bit of money on that. Then we get them back to a few other just kind of their deals they had out in the floor. Have some more Klein tools. Again, these are solid deals and great things to keep on hand and work with. Then we see just some more options for these. So whatever you might be interested in, you can grab some, save you some money. Also some knee savers right here. Then we got a few more Kobalt options, up to 99 bucks and also up to $129. Again, these were some of the best deals they had right now, wrapping up October going into November. Again, these deals will probably be changing in the next few weeks. I know with Black Friday coming up, just being about a month away, these deals will be changing a lot. So you can keep updated with the channel. You can always like and subscribe so that you never miss another deal. But we see a few more DeWalt items right here. If you need some of these, you can grab some. The little right angle option, and then even the attachments, so you can grab these. Some of these have been picked over. You can see at my store. And also drill bits, great things to keep on hand. And then even more of these combo kits right here. Hammer drill, driver kit, 120. Also more bit sets, whether you need the smaller ones or the larger ones. Always great to grab some of these, especially in DeWalt. They're definitely a good job for you there. Then we have just a few more random tools here for DeWalt. Got the fastening set. Also have some blades here, and then another multi-set right there for drill bits. Then on the other side have a few different tools, but a lot of similar items. Have some of the larger circular blades, even the oscillating blade set right there, so you can grab one of those. Down 10 bucks, pretty good deal. Impact driver, 99 bucks. Get to save $50 on that one, so that's a pretty good option. Again, you can see a lot of these have already been picked over because these are some pretty good deals right now, but we know coming up there's definitely going to be some great ones. But again, if you need some of these tools right now, you can definitely go in there and grab you some. Even a few more blades here for DeWalt. Then Kobalt had some of their options. So if you're going to be drilling out for different lighting fixtures and stuff like that, you can check these out. Sorry, I do believe these were like under a ladder. They're kind of hard to get to. And then we have a couple other deals for this brand right here. So if you're going to be doing any type of woodworking, you can check these out. Again, lower deals right here. Circle guide kit, 44 bucks. You can save about 5 bucks on that one. Pretty solid. Also have a couple other bits right here. So if you need some of these speed bits. You can do that for Irwin. And then the only thing I saw on the Taba, I believe, was this work light down to 103. So if you need one of those for the job site. And then we also had the Skil saw. I mean, this is what I grew up watching my dad use here. 50 bucks, pretty good price for that one. Then I have another circular saw here for Craftsman, 80 bucks. Then we have a couple other new deals here for DeWalt. You can see some of these new options. Got the hammer drill kit, 350. Also DeWalt circular saw kit, reciprocating saw kit as well for DeWalt. And then also another angle grinder. Then a couple other battery sets. You can check those out. A couple good battery options. And then even some of the chargers and the combo kit here. 3-tool combo kit there. Pretty good option for that. And then the screwdrivers. Always great to check those out. See what might be available. You can see some of those are still available here. Then we have a few more oscillating blades here. You can check some of these out. So whatever you might need, get to save almost 20 bucks right there on those. So still some good deals. And then we also have these goggles that I've never seen before. So if you need some DeWalt goggles, get to save about $2 on that one. Then also some gloves, $5 work gloves. Great to just keep these in the truck. I try to keep a pair in my truck at my office, and then also just kind of all over the place. We also have buy one, get one free tools right here. So if you buy one of these tools, you get one of these batteries for free. So again, another great option for DeWalt. Always great to check those out. Then back over here, we see another set of different blades. I think we've seen a lot of these just kind of scattered throughout the store, but it's always good because they have them all over the place. And then even some of their high-vis stuff like that. And then also some earpieces right there. Then we have a few more of these. You can buy one of these tools here, these tool sets with the little bags, and you get the, again, the free battery. So similar to what we just saw 1 second ago. You also free select bare tool with all of these when you buy this battery. You get to save up to $2.50, so pretty good price, especially if you need some of these. Then a few more Kobalt options. Got the ratcheting wrench set. Always need a level. And then even a little construction pouch right there. A couple other blades so you can grab some of those. Also hammer, a little pry bar. And then more DeWalt bits. Like I said, I do like keeping some of those around. Then a few more options right here. Then we have some Skil blades. So if you need some of these for your saw, check those out. Spider had a couple deals going in. Check some of those bits. And then also Bosch had a couple bits as well, just something real quick. Another thing I did see, you have the DeWalt buy one 2-pack battery kit or the combo kit and get a free 20-volt tool. You can check that out. Also had this compressor on sale. You know, compressor, DeWalt's a great brand. That one's on sale there. We also had the 3-tool kit compressor here for Kobalt. Again, $1.99, pretty good price on that one. So if you need those, check it out. And then right here, another Kobalt compressor set for 99 bucks. Hard to beat that. It's a great deal for that one there. Then we have a couple more Kobalt items right here. We got a little kit if you need to grab one of these for some sockets. And then a couple homeowner kits. This was sold out. $169 is a pretty good price for that. Then we've seen these recently as well. I do think the price might be a little bit lower, but still just kind of organizational stuff. So if you need to grab some of these just for organizing things at your shop, definitely a great thing to check out. Then we even have a couple more wrenches as well. Check these out. Pretty good prices on these. Then I wanted to show you some of the Halloween decorations. Again, a lot of these were picked over at my store, but you can see some of these are on some deep discounts right now. So if you do like to decorate for Halloween, or if you just want to buy some of this stuff, you can come over here and check it out. A lot of these things are on some low clearance items. You can see some of the jack-o'-lanterns and even all these other decor items. I did talk about at our house, we don't really decorate for Halloween very much, but 50% off on a lot of this stuff. I did see a lot of people grabbing some of these larger items that were 50% off. I'll show you which ones that people were grabbing as I was leaving. But you can just see all of these things are clearance, 50% off, because again, Halloween is right around the corner, so whether you're going to grab some of these fun pumpkins or some of this kind of scary stuff, you can definitely grab them. One of the guys had this man right here in his car, so he had the big captain, and they also had another one of these bigger items right here in his car as well. The little underwater guy with the old school kind of submarine look right there on the front. Had that one as well, which was kind of funny watching him put both of those into his vehicle. Then they also have some lights, so you can check those lights. And then I did want to show you, they have a little kind of just Thanksgiving / fall decor section that also was 50% off. So you can check that as well to see what kind of deals they have going on right now. Then in the back, they had a couple good items. They had this cutter attachment, 99 bucks if you want to grab one of those for DeWalt. Again, I think it's a great deal. They also had some of these blowers. Again, we saw some of the deals up front, but they had another couple in the back for Ego there. And then had a couple other options for fans. So if you needed a little outdoor fan. And then even a couple other good deals right here. So you can check some of these out. So it's a no stud attachment for your TV hanger. So I think it's pretty cool. Again, be able to do that without a hanger. And I just wanted to show you just a quick glance at all the other things going on. There's so many deals back here. You guys can go and check and see what might be available at yours. But they also had some good other deals here for Craftsman. You got this leaf blower, 79 bucks. And then also some of these chainsaw kits. You can check some of these out. Again, save you a little bit of money, be able to fix some of your stuff, get you back to cutting some trees out there as well. But you can check, again, a lot of these options out, whatever you might need. They had a ton of these deals going on right now. But overall, I think there's a lot of great deals going on right now at your local Lowe's. Let me know what you plan on grabbing or what you might be interested in for the Black Friday sales that are coming up pretty soon. If this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. We just hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you never miss another deal, and I will see you in the next one.